Hello everyone, welcome to the syllabus layers. In this video, I'll be covering all the UGC net PYQs for the past 12 years for the topic Fundamental Rights, which is a part of the unit Political Institutions in India. So the first question is, this was asked in October 2020. Consider the following provisions under which the directive principles of state policy as enshrined in the Constitution of India are present. Which of the above are Gandhian principles that are reflected in the directive principles of state policy? Okay, so they have given us four directive principles and we have to find out which one of them are the Gandhian principles. So securing for citizens of India a uniform civil code, नहीं ये liberal intellectual principle है, ठीक है. Then we have organization of village panchayats. This is a Gandhian principle. आपको पता होगा there are basically three types of directive principles of state policy. The first one is the liberal intellectual principles. Then we have the Gandhian principles and the third one are the socialist principles. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट क्या है, promoting cottage industries in रूरल एरियाज. तो ये भी गांधीयन प्रिंसिपल है. उसके बाद में सिक्योरिंग फॉर ऑल द वर्कर्स रीजनेबल लीजर एंड कल्चरल अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो दिस इज अ सोशलिस्ट प्रिंसिपल. ठीक है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज द सेकेंड एंड द थर्ड ऑप्शन. दैट मेक्स इट द सेकेंड ऑप्शन हियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2023 का है, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी इन द sequential order as mentioned in the constitution. So the first one is to organize village panchayat. अच्छा, तो sequential order ये आजकल वैसे factual questions पूछते जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. Try to remember the number corresponding article number for each directive principle. ठीक है. तो village पंचायत वाला article 40 में है. Secure the right to work. Right to work is given in article 41. ठीक है. Then we have to make provisions for just and humane conditions for work. This is given in article 42. And the last one, living wage. Living wage is a part of article 43. ठीक है. So you can accordingly arrange them in a sequential order. So the answer for this will be the second option. Next, article 21. Which of the following rights are declared as fundamental rights under article 21 of the Indian Constitution? राइट अगेंस्ट पब्लिक हैंगिंग. देखिए ऐसा कुछ तो मेंशन नहीं है. उसके बाद में क्या बोला है, आर डिक्लेयर्ड एज फंडामेंटल राइट्स अंडर आर्टिकल 21. तो राइट अगेंस्ट फंडामेंटल हैंगिंग इज, आई डू नॉट थिंक दैट इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ, so I am not sure about this. Let me check this. Then next क्या है, right to sustainable development. हाँ, right to sustainable development is a part of article 21. Then right to livelihood. हाँ, this is also a part of article 21. In the Olga Tellis case, this was the Supreme Court had said that this is a part of the article 21, right to life. Right to free education up to the age of 16 years. So this is a part of article 21A. ठीक है. नॉट आर्टिकल 21. और यहाँ पे 6 to 14 है, 16 तक नहीं है. ठीक है. उसके बाद में राइट टू रेपुटेशन. हाँ, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ फंडामेंटल राइट अंडर आर्टिकल 21. सो इन द सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी केस, this was the right to reputation was introduced and it was made a part of the right to life. ठीक है. I think right against public, just let me check 1 second. So right against public hanging is also recognized under article 21 of the Indian Constitution. ठीक है. तो Supreme Court had recognized this under Francis Mullin versus Union Territory of India case. ठीक है. तो इन सब को मिला के दिस इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ राइट टू लाइफ. सो ओनली डी इज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ राइट टू लाइफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2023 का है, Which among the following is not included in the right to life under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution as interpreted by the Supreme Court? So the I'll just read the options: right to suicide, right to privacy, right against public hanging, and right to good health. So right to suicide करके कुछ भी नहीं है. In fact, suicide or attempt to suicide was considered to be a criminal offense up till some years back. ठीक है, अभी थोड़े साल पहले it has been removed as a criminal offense. So there is no right to suicide which anyone has. ये ज्ञान कौर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब केस था, उसमें द कोर्ट had given the verdict that right to life does not include right to die. नेक्स्ट अगस्त 24 का है. Which of the following statements are true? State can intervene in religion for equality. So this is a correct statement because India has the concept of principled distance. ठीक है, और पॉजिटिव सेक्युलरिज्म भी we follow. Therefore, this is correct. Next, Constitution prohibits religious discrimination. This is also correct. Under Article 15 as well as 16, there is no religious discrimination. ठीक है. Then freedom to profess, practice, propagate religion. ये भी है आर्टिकल 25 में है. ठीक है. उसके बाद में Constitution advocates titles of military or academic distinction. देखिए, it has abolished titles. ठीक है, exceptions are allowed but it does not advocate any title. ठीक है, exceptions दिए हुए हैं but they are not advocated. ठीक है, so this will be wrong. Then fundamental rights are non-justiciable, so this is also wrong. Fundamental rights are justiciable. आर्टिकल 32 के अंदर. ठीक है, writ jurisdiction वगैरह है. So fundamental rights are justiciable. So these three are correct whereas these two are wrong. Next question August 24 का है. Which among the following is a justiciable right? So directive principles of the state policy are not justiciable. Fundamental duties are also not. Even preamble is not justiciable. Only the fundamental rights are justiciable. Next question. Protection of language, script or culture of minorities have been guaranteed through which article of the Indian Constitution? So ये आर्टिकल 29 है ना, राइट्स टू माइनॉरिटीज़ और कल्चरल एंड एजुकेशनल राइट्स करके बोलते हैं उसको. आर्टिकल 29 एंड 30 कल्चरल एंड एजुकेशनल राइट्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आर्टिकल 29. नेक्स्ट है जनवरी 25 का क्वेश्चन है. इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट हैज़ बीन गारंटीड थ्रू विच आर्टिकल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? So the answer for this is Article 16. ठीक है, this is a very simple question. Next है जून 25 का है. Choose the sequence of articles in chronological order. अच्छा, तो वही बस हमें आर्टिकल नंबर और उनका क्या लिखा है उसमें वो पता होना चाहिए. That and then they have asked us to arrange them sequentially. तो अनटचेबिलिटी आर्टिकल 17 में आता है. प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन 24 में है. प्रमोशन ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज, दिस इज द DPSP. ठीक है, सो दिस इज 43B. Then separation of judiciary from executive, and again this is a DPSP, article 50. And equal justice and free legal aid is also a DPSP, and that is article 39A. ठीक है, so now you can accordingly arrange them sequentially. So the answer for this will be A, B, C, D. So that is all for this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. You can also follow our Telegram channel for any updates. Kindly comment on our videos for any content suggestions which you may have. Thank you.